Hi, I'm Sarah, one of your librarians here at Rio. If you're doing research for your education classes, let me show you a few library tools that will make your life easier. Let's start with OneSearch. That's the big search box on the library homepage, and it lets you search most of the library's databases all at the same time. Say you're looking for information on classroom management strategies. Type those words in, and you'll get a huge list of results: books, articles, videos, you name it. Now, let's look at OneSearch's filters. If your instructor asks for scholarly, peer-reviewed articles, check that limiter on the side of the screen. Peer-reviewed means the article was written by a scholar and then reviewed by editors and other experts in the field to determine its quality and merit before publishing the article. This review process helps to ensure the quality of these types of sources. You can also use the date limiter to make sure you're looking at recent research, say the last 5 years, so your information reflects what's happening in education today. Everything in your OneSearch search is already immediately available online, so you don't need to worry about clicking a full text limiter. To get this article, for example, I'll click on the title of the article, and then I may be prompted to click on the link for the database itself. OneSearch is a little silly like that sometimes. OneSearch is a great way to get started, but here's a pro tip. It searches everything from nursing journals to engineering articles to business magazines. That means you might spend time sifting through things that aren't necessarily relevant to teaching. If you want to go straight to education-only content, check out our A to Z databases list and the resources there. In particular, Education Research Complete. This database is focused only on education topics like teaching methods, learning theory, classroom practice, so the results you get are more targeted. Once you've searched and found your sources, you'll need to cite them. Most of our databases include tools that will provide you with APA citations. Always double check them though against something like the official APA guide or Rio's APA citation guide that shows you exactly how to format citations, including how to cite your Rio Learn course materials or information you got from AI. It's basically your shortcut to stress-free citation. The link is in the video description. And finally, remember, you're not on your own. If you get stuck or aren't sure what to do, use Ask a Librarian. It's our 24/7 chat service with real librarians who can help you search smarter, troubleshoot problems, or just figure out your next steps.